Today we're going to speak about how to build a trap method on the HT3 software. Now there's two routes we can do this. We can press the trap button on the taskbar at the top of the software and it'll bring up this window. Our other option is we can go into File, New and Trap Method and it'll bring up the same window we just had. Now we can click on these variables and it'll give a description of what the variable is, minimum, maximum temperatures or settings, and we can decide if we want certain things on and off, like our mixing, do we want our sample mixed? We can click through here, adjusting everything to suit our method, and we can, if you wish to leave any notes, you can leave them in here. But once you're happy with everything, you can now save this method. To do that, we're going to go File, Save As, and today we'll just call it Test. I will press Save. Now once everything's saved, this is now good to go and we can build a schedule to start our analysis.